How to change Roblox profile picture on PC. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you on how you can change your Roblox profile picture on your PC, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, changing your Roblox profile picture on PC is actually quite very simple. Now, first of all, just go to roblox.com and just make sure to sign into your account. Once you do that, you'll see your profile name from here, so just click on your profile or username here, right? So right here you can see your profile picture, and here you can see the little profile icon, so you can click on that profile icon there, and as you click on the profile icon you can click the three dots option and go to the inventory option. So right here you can simply go ahead and select the kind of profile picture that you want in this case, and once you have done that you should simply be able to go ahead and then save the changes. And once you save the changes, you'll be able to go ahead and then basically change your profile picture on PC. This way you can change your Roblox profile picture on PC. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.